The most common way to make a video full screen is to go to the top right corner and click on Present. This will make your slideshow nice and big, and you can navigate through the slideshow with the arrows, or when you move your cursor to the bottom left corner, the navigation bar will appear. You move your cursor away, and it disappears. To leave this view, you can click on the three dots and click Stop Presenting, or you can click on the Escape key, which is ESC on your keyboard. Now, if you are presenting a slideshow, but while you're presenting, you need to go between different tabs, then I'm going to show you a few options. These options are also helpful if you're sending a slideshow to your students that they are just viewing and you don't want them to have to hit present. So the first one is to change the URL so that it says present instead of edit. So I'm going to go up to the URL and I'm going to select edit and everything afterwards, and I'm going to type the word present. And then I would copy this URL if I want to send it to students. I'm going to go ahead and enter and show you what this does. This makes it so you can see the different tabs, but it's the same as when you hit present. When you move your cursor to the bottom left corner, the navigation bar appears, you move it away, and it disappears. Now, if I want to leave this view, I can go back up to the URL and I can delete what it says after present and hit backspace. And when I hit enter, the default will just change it back to edit. Now, the next view is a little bit different. This is the preview mode. So I'm going to go up to the URL and I'm doing the same thing. I'm selecting edit and everything afterwards, and I'm typing preview. Now what this one does is it takes a navigation bar and it puts it along the bottom, and so it does not disappear as you move your cursor away. Now again, I can go back by deleting preview and everything afterwards, and it'll take me back to the edit view. Or if it's the very last thing that you've done, you can use your back arrow. So now the third one is also a preview mode, but I'm going to show you what it does differently. So I'm going to, again, select where it says edit, delete everything afterwards. I'm going to type preview and then a question mark, RM equals minimal. And then I'm going to click enter. And what this one does, what you'll notice is I don't see a navigation bar anywhere. So in order to move through this slideshow, I have to use my arrows or click on buttons that are on my slideshow. This is also helpful if you're sending a slide where there is only one slide. Now, it's important to remember that your sharing settings are set so that other people can view it if you are sharing the link with them. So I'm going to come up here, delete everything, including preview. And to change those share settings, I'm going to click on share. And then at the bottom, it says get link, and then it says restricted. And I'm going to click on share with Nebo School District. And if I'm sharing with students, I need to change it so anyone with the link can view. And then it should be ready to go. It's important to remember that you are not copying this link and sharing it with them. You are copying a link that has it changed to present or preview question mark RM equals minimal. Let us know if you have any questions.